Welcome to Makeup 101 Part 1 with me. Tools and products we are going in with. I believe just from seeing the product, you know what part of makeup it is. What you want to do is freeze the brow hair with brow gel so it can stay on one place as you draw. And this also makes your eyebrows to last longer. Now you're going to pick up some of that powder, dab on your brow area. This is to help your brow area to stay dry, stay matte so you can draw. Then I go in with this Essence Long Lasting Eyebrow Paint Hot Chocolate to give my eyebrows a defined line under here. Take from this point right up to here, we create the arch directly where my eyebrow ends. And now we move it outward. Take one line just like this. You tilt your pencil and you merge the two lines and you fill it in. Gradually fill it in and come to the front. Here, make sure you use as little pressure as possible. Get the different spoolie, not the one that has gel in it. You gradually fill out this point. We are done filling in the brows. So let's move to the most interesting part, concealing. I'm gonna clean the front part of my foundation shade and blend it in. Now you have your eyebrows and you can proceed to do the rest of your makeup. And this is what we have. See you in part 2.